morning, everyone. This is Ahmed speaking to you, and welcome to the daily analysis for the gold. In this video, we're gonna go to discuss the daily fundamental and the technical analysis of today. However, I would like to apologize for you guys because of my voice. I'm still sick and I am still struggling with my voice. So let's start this. So this is the daily chart, guys, and if we have to look to what we have looked into it yesterday, we have discussed about the bearish rising wedge, and we have said that the price is gonna go to test that area, and after that it will fall down, and it has done that. However, we were expecting the price to break out below 1916, but however it didn't do that, and we are targeted 1911. Right now, I am holding position from the top for long term, and I am going to continue holding that. So what we can see now, if there is any change on the chart, is there is anything that we need to modify, let's have a look. So now if I look to this chart might be changed to flag button, and that means a continuation button. So when we say flag, we mean to say the area between this line, and this is considered as a flag. Now, the thing that we need to take from this chart, if the price has broken 1935.05, then the price might continue and achieve this area at 1949.260. Why? Because now it is a flag and it is head and shoulder. But however, the head and shoulder, it's a choppy chart. I'll show you that on the 4-hour time frame. And why we are saying choppy chart? Because the chart is not 100% clear. So now, if the price did break 1935, it will reach 1949, and that is may make double of button. So this is first top, this is second top, and will be the neckline here in this area, and you will be having the second top. But this is not confirmed yet. Unless the price break 1935 and go to that area again and test it, there will be no double top button. If the price continued to fall down today and break this trend line, that means this is the success of the bearish button, the bearish rising wedge. And most probably that the price is going to continue to do that. If I look to the chart completely, as a daily chart, you could see that there is a swing, pullback, swing, let's say, even though that this swing was not normal, but however it's a swing, and let's say pullback here, then a swing and pullback here, then this is the market stage 3. We can see this is a continuation button broken here and continued, and we can say this is another continuation button and might continue to go up to reach higher level here. But however, this is, let's say, one swing, pullback, one swing, two pullback, and this is one swing, third pullback. That means this is the market stage 3. That's why, guys, in the market stage 3, that is the area where the institutions and the bank, they will confuse everybody. If you go now to the 4-hour time frame, you can see rejection from sellers, then rejection from buyers. Then buyers pushed it, then sellers pushed it back, then rejection from buyers, then rejection from buyers again, then buyers pushed it back, then rejection from seller, then rejection from buyer, then pushed it up, then rejection from seller in this candle, then rejection from buyer, pushed it up. So you see this is not normal. This is manipulation of the market. So these people here, they want to push the price down. But what is happening? They are still seeing that there are so many people selling gold. And when they are seeing people selling gold, they don't want that because they have buy and they want to load these buys into you and me. So they want us to buy. So the moment the buy people become more than the seller, what they will do, they will remove all their buys and they will not sell, and you will see the gold is falling down like anything. So we are waiting that moment in market stage 3. So again, this is not normal because this is a choppy chart on the 4-hour time frame. However, I have taken long term on the daily chart. However, we are expecting now extension or continuation to go up. However, this candle actually is good because it's pushing down, but however, we need to see breakout below 1960. So this is today's analysis. So we are expecting the gold to go up again and to continue bearish down. If it did break 1916, then further more down it will go. Now, on the fundamental analysis, we have so many indicators today. We have the French CPI, German unemployment rate, and those are all low indicators, low impact indicators. However, if there is a big change on those numbers, these will play the market too much. When there is too much indicators in the market or too much news in the market, the news collectively, if more than one indicator become positive or negative in one direction, that will affect the market. Let's say if Germany import, Germany retail sale, Germany CPI, and so on became all positive and unemployment rate was good. Let's say there are so many indicators became positive or negative, then that is will affect them. The most important two indicator today, it's the CAD, the Canadian GDP, and the CB consumer confidence. So the Canadian GDP, you have seen the data around the CPI last time in Canada, how it has moved the gold up, has pushed the gold up, and we are expected here to see a good GDP for the Canadian. And if the positive data has come, then that will push the price of the gold. So we got to watch the Canadian GDP because it's important. And we have said why it's important because it's part of the dollar index, one of the currencies, one of the six currencies, which is part of the dollar index. And at 7 o'clock, we have the consumer confidence. And I think that the market will start to move today from the Olympian session from 12 o'clock or from 10 o'clock morning until we reach the 5:30. 5:30 will be good time because EU market and US market will be open and there will be volatility. Finally, guys, thank you for watching this analysis. This is the analysis for today, and I don't see on the fundamental market that there is something significant. We want to watch only the Canadian GDP and the USD consumer confidence. And that's it for today. Thank you very much and speak to you in the next analysis video.